GA Real Estate Cram Course Flashcards, 19 questions with explained answers. Flashcard 1. Term, client duties include. Definition, care, obedience, accounting, loyalty, disclosure, confidentiality. According to Brita, duties owed to a client are by law and any expressed in an agency agreement, listing agreement. Flashcard 2. Term, Civil Rights Act of 1866. Definition, race-only real and personal property. Flashcard 3. Term, boycotting. Definition, restraint of trade, boards or MLS prohibiting membership or restriction of services to a qualified person. Flashcard 4. Term, when can you reapply for license after revocation, conviction, sentencing or release from prison? Definition, 10 years. Flashcard 5. Term, if one passes the statutory time period, they suffer from. Definition, latches or have a loss of latches, known as the doctrine of latches. Flashcard 6. Term, fair housing laws. Definition, if a licensee is in violation of federal law, they could also be in violation of GA law, local law, and /re laws. Intentional violations are criminal acts. Flashcard 7. Term, who represents the broker at closing and is there to observe? Definition, the affiliate. Flashcard 8. Term, Can-Spam Act 2003. Definition, applies to email and faxes, up to 16,000 fine non-deceptive subject lines. A valid physical postal address. A clear and conspicuous opt-out provision where the recipient is not required to pay a fee. The opt-out request must be honored within 10 days. Flashcard 9. Term, partnership. Definition, qualifying broker must be a general partner. Flashcard 10. Term, not disclosing known material fact about a false assumption is. Definition, misrepresentation and the agent can be held liable. Advise clients to seek out experts. Flashcard 11. Term, more fair housing exemptions. Definition, handicap, mental or physical limitation. Examples, HIV/AIDS, drug addiction and rehab, not handicapped if currently addicted to drugs. Handicapped person at their expense can modify the unit but must change back to original condition. Exception, widening of doors, allow for access, ground floor or all units if elevator must accommodate service animals. Flashcard 12. Term, do not call registry. Definition, prohibits telemarketing calls to numbers on the registry. Flashcard 13. Term, what does an invalid contract have? Definition, validity has ended, listing expired. Flashcard 14. Term, disciplinary actions of GREC. Definition, accountant, trust account violations, fines to licensees up to $1,000 for single infraction or $5,000 for multiple infractions. Downgrade from broker license to salesperson license. Suspension or revocation of a license may request hearing and entitled to a judicial review. GREC must investigate a written sworn complaint and publish, on the GREC website, suspensions/revocations, a matter of. Flashcard 15. Term, an exclusive right to sell contract would not require. Definition, the broker to prove procuring cause in a lawsuit for commission. Flashcard 16. Term, commission earned. Definition, terms, procuring use, paid at closing may receive commission from both parties if all parties agree in writing, disclose in contract. The amount is negotiable between the broker and the one paying. The existence of a payment does. Flashcard 17. Term, affiliates can only receive commissions from. Definition, their own broker. Flashcard 18. Term, fair housing exemptions continued. Definition, over 80% of the units occupied by one person 55 or older if advertising is aimed, and the facilities are designed. Flashcard 19. Term, how long can you have an inactive license? Definition, as long as you want as long as you pay a renewal fee.